Hello, hello, my friends. How are you? How's it going? Hello, hello, Maxi. Hello, Monica. Hello, Pandora. Nice to see you all. Thank you so much for your wishes, my friends. Hello, Hamsis. Hello, Ken. Thank you so much for your wishes, my friends. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. I really mean this. I'm going to answer one by one. Thank you for your wishes. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pat. Thank you, Pandora. Thank you, Ken. Can you hear me? Are you all hearing me? Are you? Thank you, Maxi. Are you hearing me? Oh, okay, perfect. Ken, I believe that I'm okay. Okay, crystal clear. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. I'm so happy that I'm celebrating my birthday with all of you. Let me fix my camera a little bit here. Sorry for not answering on your wishes. I will, of course. I was unfortunately very busy today with my fast food, so I'm going to answer after the stream. Hello, thank you, Algo. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Sharik. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for your wishes, my beloved friends. Thank you. I mean this. Thank you so much. Let's go and check a little bit the markets because we can't forget that let me enable my account 1 minute because we can't forget. Okay, I'm here. It's ready. Okay. Let's check. Price pulled back. We had news event. Let me check. Where is the news? Okay. What did we have? We had NFP. We had NFP. Okay. It hasn't done something that we didn't expect. This is the true. We are seeing a clear pullback. Maybe it is a liquidity, but we must not be confused that we are in a bearish order flow. Look where price is. Is it in a daily breaker block? What do we expect? We expect, my friends, of course, lower prices. If, of course, although it continues this rally, we will think about what we must do, of course. Let's take a look also with the RIDR. Bullish expansion model, quite megaphone. We can call it a bullish expansion. Price is reacting where else it is reacting to the AZNDR. We will wait. We will expect a little bit more price to pull back and then take a really nice continuation. But as I said, I'm overall bearish. I will be patient to see how the 4-hour candle is going to form. Hello, thank you, Jit Sound. Thank you so much. Sorry if I really ruined your name. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button. And if you want to support us even more and you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, enable all notifications. It helps us in what we are doing. We are trying, of course, to make TTF even more bigger. This is why we are doing all of this. And of course, don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com. You get a huge value. And of course, in your subscription, you get the Earn As You Learn program. I can't stop saying all the names that are having success with the Earn As You Learn program. One I'm seeing here in the chat room is our friend Linda. Huge success she has made this month, 11%, my friends. 11% with the Earners Your Loan program. Amazing stats, amazing. Congratulations, Linda. And all of these based on the trade ideas from the Earners Your Loan program. Of course, adding their own analysis, it makes it even more high strike rate. And that's how the 11% comes out. I'm really proud of all of you. Yesterday in our private live stream, I showed to everyone the trade that I was going. It eventually hit take profit. I'm so happy for that. We were executing a trade idea on the USD Canadian dollar, USD against the Canadian dollar. Amazing 3-hour trade, really nice. I'm really happy. The truth is that I have not been able to look at the other trade ideas, but I will do it. I promise to do it as we did yesterday, but also post my ideas in the trade lab. Whoever wants to have access to these trade ideas, of course, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Thank you so much for your wishes. I mean this. Let's take a look at the charts a little bit. We are having a reaction. We will probably have the FOMO syndrome and see the price going without us. We will be patient, although patience is the key to success, my beloved friends. It's the key to success. Of course, congratulations, Linda. Of course, congratulations. Linda says, by the way, I took your advice on the RR management and I was much better friend with both EU and UJ today. Thank you, Alex. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And I mean this. Why? Because we must understand the expectations and we must always keep in mind the range that we are trading. I will expose what we talked about because we are talking about many things in our private live streams, especially. We try to help our members even more in more specified, more individually when we are able. Because Linda is trying to also trade my personal strategy that I have been teaching here in TTF, I advised her to smaller a little bit her RR. Why? Because during London, either we like it, either not, the ATR, the average range, pip range, of course, is much more smaller. So if we can go with a smaller RR, we will increase our win rate, and this means that we will be able to make profits at the end of the day. And she followed, of course, my advice. And what she did, she won, of course. Amazing. Hello, Mary. Nice to see you. Berries. Also, my friend Maxi says, I'm berries today as well, looking like a very clean AXMD playing out. The XMAD is a continuation reversal, a accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So previously we had the reversal, the first 90-minute cycle. It was, of course, a continuation or a reversal, call it whatever you want, a pullback, and now we are probably in a manipulation phase. I agree. I can enable, of course, my 90-minute cycles so we can confirm it. Yes. Are you sure? Because here in the first 90-minute cycle, oh, you're talking about the daily cycle, I believe. If you're talking about the daily cycle, Maxi, I agree 2000% with you, of course. I always agree with you, especially when we are talking about the ICT concepts. Maxi is a really successful and very good exclusive ICT trader. Also, Hamtsiz is also one more. Our friend LSM. He is a very good ICT trader also. Because as we have spoken and we have advised everyone here in TTF, especially when you are trading ICT concepts, it is really, really important to be able to be disciplined. Disciplined and have strict risk management plan. Okay, daily cycle always perfect, perfect. I agree with you 2000% then, my friend Maxi. I agree 2000%. Let me look about, I missed a little bit the chat. Thank you, Unk, my beloved friend. It is my pleasure. Thank you so much for everyone for your wishes. As I said, especially the members of TTF, I am going, of course, to answer them in your DMs. Thank you so much. Some hydration. Algo says, after yesterday's live stream, I reevaluated my trading and implemented it today. I documented today 3 trades and tagged you on the Discord. I promise you, Algo, my beloved friend, first of all, I'm very, very happy that I was able to help you. I'm so happy. And I promise you, I will go through your trades one by one and answer you after the live stream. I'm so proud of you, mate. I understood from the first moment what was your problem. That's why I'm so happy that you were able to solve it, at least for today. But take an example what you did today and just repeat it day after day. Okay, okay. Maxi says, yes, I'm looking at the daily cycle always. Yes, I know, my friend, I know. Now, my friends, we should took this trade if it prints, of course, along. We should take this trade normally. I'm afraid, although I don't like, but price is reacting again from the Asian DR. Look, 1, 2 rejection, clear rejections. I will wait for the 4-hour candle to form, my friends. I will wait. I will wait. I will be patient and wait. Okay, perfect algo, my friend. Algo 2.0. 15-minute levels combined with a daily cycle is huge. Has been going amazing the last few weeks because I decided not to try to call a top or a bottom, but I'm focusing on only taking trades from perfect from 15-minute levels. That was exactly what I have been telling you all this time. There is no reason to find the top or the low. Trading the future teller concepts. No one can predict what will happen. Trying to do that is only going to cause you in multiple losses. A nice continuation with a 40-point take profit is enough to make millions from the markets. There's no need for me to go and take trades in the first 15 minutes of the markets. No need. You know why? Look what price is doing from the opening. I would have been cut in this, and I'm not having a clear breakout. Why? Because all these strategies from ICT, from everything, as I have said multiple times, are breakout strategies. It is a breakout, for example, from a range, a small shift. It is, call it a flip, a breaker. All of these are breakouts. Okay. Despite this fact, I'm very happy that you have understood completely that you don't need to catch the top of the or the low of the day as the fancy gurus teach many members to do more of their mentorships, and they get slaughtered all the time. Because I'm also monitoring other discords and I'm seeing especially the ICT discords how people are not being able to capitalize upon the concepts. Why? Because they are trying all the time to catch the top or the low of them. I know it is a very nice emotion, but it can't happen, unfortunately. Okay. Chop, 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 chop. Does anyone want to look at something else? Let's take a look at Euro USD. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Interesting stuff going on. I won't lie to you that I believe that this is probably a liquidity grab. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, heavily bearish. Look, the triangle, one more time, the triangle system. I love the triangle system, or how ICT calls it, the magical market maker model. Sorry. Okay, perfect. Let me erase also this SMT. What are we seeing now? Price has broken and respected this area over here, that what had caused, of course, a higher high. What is this? This area is, of course, a breaker block. Not to the T, not if it is a mitigation or a whatever you want to call it. I call everything's a breaker block. Why? Because this means for me that this is area where price reacted and now we want it to be used as support. For me, in Euro USD, this looks like a liquidity grab. Also, look, one clue of the RIDR. The RIDR has formed a bearish expansion model. You see, this is Asia, London is lower. If price would break this Asian DR level, I would again look for lower prices. Okay, break, retest, and go down. This is how I view the markets, of course. Okay. It gave a print. For some reason, I am not trusting these levels. I'm not trusting these levels. Price is exactly in this New York opening gap that was from 9 November, this Friday. The markets opened at 9, yes. Look what price is doing, look. Dangerous price. Let's wait, my friends, how the 4-hour candle is going to close. Let's be patient. Let's take a look also to view what the 4-hour is looking like. We could say that price is reacting from this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Oh, my wife, I love you. Thank you so much. She brought me today a Freddo espresso, my friends. A Freddo espresso. Look, Freddo espresso. I put my hand in front of the light and you didn't see. This is a Freddo espresso, my friends. We have a coffee shop in our neighborhood that makes amazing espresso. Now, what are we seeing? If price closes with a body, look now what we are going to do. If price is going to break with a body this high, that's why I drew this line, then I'm going to expect price to break again from the upside and have a continuation. This, as I said, let me mark it over here. This is a bear fair value gap. Yes, it is a 4-hour bear fair value gap. Okay, now, of course, we will have, if it breaks with a body, this line, we will have really big probabilities that it is going to go higher. We don't know exactly, but we have huge intentions. That's why we must be careful. We must be careful. Careful a lot. Okay, let's see. Although if someone risked and was passive in his stop loss, he would have taken a really nice Asian DR breakout over here. It's me that I'm not just trusting what I am seeing over here. I can't trust price for some reason. That's my problem. Visual order, send to back. Okay, perfect. Oh, I went through, Pat. I hope you catched up what I said. Let me check. Let me check the news event. I don't believe that is going to affect you. News. In 7 minutes, we don't have any red folders. 10 minutes, we're going to have the existing home sales. It is an orange. No, I don't believe that's going. It might have a spike. I don't believe that in general it's going to affect your trading. If you are in a position, of course, my friend Linda. Of course, so I'm not. I cannot predict what will happen, but there's no red folders, so I believe that you're going to be safe. Marcin, hello, nice to see you. I'm doing very, very well. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you had some profitable trades today. Hey, chat. I haven't taken any trade today. I'm trading with you guys here to see if we are going to find any trades. We are afraid currently. We are afraid to see what will happen. Let's see. We are patiently waiting for this 4-hour candle to form. This also works with the 1-hour candles. This is how, of course, I have presented it. You know, the members of TTF, you know what I have presented. Of course, whoever wants to know, and learn what I have been teaching privately in our community. Link in the description, trdfloor.com. Of course, the most supportive trading community in the trading space, far away from the other one. Of course, a huge package of indicators, a huge package of educational videos, so many concepts, so many strategies for all types of traders. Of course, we can't forget the Earn As You Learn program, my beloved friends. The amazing opportunity for many traders, many traders, especially the new ones that need to earn some extra profits so they can be able to, of course, pay their subscriptions and any other expenses they might have for trading. Amazing opportunity for everyone. Amazing. Monica says also I had expected EURUSD to go down where it did because there was a void to be filled on the 4-hour view back on November 5. Hope that made sense. Perfect. Of course it makes sense. The gap filling yes is a huge concept. Has been traded around the world for many years, especially with stocks. But of course, it is a very nice concept that I agree, and you are doing very well trading it. Okay, it's pushing up. It seems that it wants to break. We have 3.5 minutes to see what exactly will happen. I have missed a really nice, of course, Asian DR breakout. FOMO, 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 no FOMO. FOMO, FOMO, no FOMO. FOMO, FOMO, no FOMO. I'm joking, of course. Linda, okay, I use my FX calendar. What do you use? I'm using an indicator, the news indicator from 2 degrees. It marks the news events exactly on my charts and exactly when they are going to hit. Yes, it's from 2 degrees, if I remember. Live economic calendar by 2 degrees. This is the one. Live economic calendar by 2 degrees. Live economic calendar. Of course, I always use my FX book. I check it also. It helps a lot in general because it has many details, my FX book. This I use it because it marks the most important news events. So I can not go back and forth. Of course, I just hit the buttons and see what events we have. My friends, if you want to support our try that we are doing over here, hit the like button, my beloved friends. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and enable all notifications. It helps us more than you believe, my beloved friends. And trust me, the like button doesn't cost anything to anyone. It only supports what we are doing over here, my beloved friends. And thank you so much when you are helping in our try. And I mean this. Okay. Marcin says, I took yesterday a trade, says, okay. Of course, it went the opposite immediately, and today a huge move up on taking my profit. Like system. Oh, amazing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I did an analysis yesterday. I was expecting the shift. I was also expecting one more shift. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to capitalize upon these two trades. That is the truth. I didn't capitalize. Thank you. You're welcome, Linda. You're welcome. Marcin says 26 people are watching. Everyone is clicking thumb up button. Yeah, thank you so much for supporting. Thank you. Thank you. Need to drop off. No worries. Thanks for joining, Monica. Nice to see you. I mean it. Thank you. It is my honor that you are part, of course, of this whoever is monitoring, of course, especially system 2, today from the numbers that I'm showing, it is going amazing. Don't forget, my friends, whoever wants to be part and be able to watch at system 2, system 1, and system 3 of the Earn As You Learn program, link in the description, trdfloor.com, if you want, of course, to be part of these huge profits. The 4-hour candle formed. This is the open of the 4-hour candle. This is the open. 4H open. Let's move the text towards the other way. Right, perfect. Okay, what I would like to see now, although we didn't break either the 4-hour fair value gap, either the new week opening gap, I'm quite scared to take a long for some reason. I would like to see force, but what I'm thinking is I would like for sure to see price. I would love to see price go back under the opening price and take a nice continuation at least to this high over here, and I don't care if after the next 3 hours it reverses. That's why we don't need if so many mambo jumbo. We have the bias with us. Okay, the order flow is for sure with us. Oops, sorry. Order flow is for sure with us. What is not? Why it's not? Okay. Order flow is sure for us. Price is above Asia. Now we want to see a little bit of manipulation and take a really nice continuation. It will help us a lot. Okay. Has anyone taken any trades? Has anyone taken any trades? Maxi says also, I have to go now. Have a great rest of your day, Alex. Enjoy the day with your beloved ones. Thank you so much, my beloved friend. Thank you for joining. I hope that you have an amazing day, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ken hasn't taken any trades. Pat said, yes, I know your classical opening magical scalps. I'm so happy. Oh, Pandora took the Euro GBP trade. Amazing. Pat says 3 wins, 1 break even. Today was my best trading reward day ever. Amazing. I'm so proud of you. Well done, Pat. Well done. Your system is lethal. Okay, nice. Calm down. And now we were going to take the continuation. I love what I'm seeing now. 3 wins, my friend Algo. 3 wins. Oh, you posted them. Yes. 3 wins. Amazing, my friends. I'm so happy for all of you. I'm so happy. I mean this. Well done. This is what TTF is, my friends. I'm so happy and so proud, especially for many of you. I'm so happy, and I mean this. Okay. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. How it is looking. New candle also in the 1 hour. Yes, this is exactly what I want to see. I will probably take this continuation trade. I will probably take it. Of course, don't forget, my beloved friends, that everything that we are talking over here is my personal opinion and is for educational purposes only. Any trading decisions that anyone makes are exclusively on your responsibility. Pat says, thanks, you have shown me how to better read the market. I see how it will move in the opening. I can't thank you enough. You really have elevated my game. I'm so happy that I have been also a small part of your journey, my friend Pat. I'm so happy for that, and I mean it. Don't forget, my friends, especially you guys that are members of TTF, I and everyone else in TTF show you the road. You are the drivers that are driving the car towards the road. The most important thing is to drive the car. And this is your success exclusively. No one's else. I'm not with anyone and clicks the button with you. You click the buttons by yourselves, and when you hit them correctly, I'm so happy for you guys, and I mean this. You can't imagine, it's like I am taking the winning trades, and I mean this. This is how I think. Deep pullback, ruining a little bit the Asian DR breakout because this candle was huge. Where did DeLorean switch the range filters? Over here. Okay. Let's see. Look, it is retesting the previous high of the previous 4-hour candle. Remember, this blue line was the previous 4-hour high candle. I hate when this happens. Okay. Now I won't lie to you guys. I would like to see my reversal. Let me a little bit. It quite annoys me seeing all these colors. We all know in which phase we are. We don't need to see all this noise. We are already full of colors. We don't need to add many more. I know I have OCD. Yellow here, pink over here, dark yellow over here, gray, black, uh, purple, blue, all these colors all together. Patience, my friends, patience, patience. It is how the game is played with full patience. Let's take a look at Euro GBP. Oh, exactly. I love it. I love it. I love it. Perfect. Perfecto. 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 Okay. Are we having the reaction of Euro USD? Wow, weird. What it has done now, this fair value gap has failed. Here is a bullish order block. Okay. I would like to be more safe to see also the break of the AZNDR. I believe and go for this low. I see more higher probabilities upon this. For me, this leg is a manipulation leg. Mr. Ken said he got a happy trail signal but not taking it. What a candle is this? Yes, don't take it, my friend. I don't know if it is going to be so powerful that it will, of course, break the AZNDR. I don't know. I'm seeing it more as a retest of the previous high. Let's see, of the previous 4-hour candle. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's see what it's going to do. Patience. We must be patient. We must be patient always. Why? Because we want to find the best and the highest probability trades for us. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Marcin says, I'm 6% up only today on my small account. Part of it is Earn As You Learn program. Amazing, amazing. I can't describe to all of you how happy I am for one by one of you guys. You saw that it needed patience and what it is going on, what it is doing from yesterday, producing so many good trades. So happy for everyone. So happy. And I mean this. The Earn As You Learn, my friends, it is a huge opportunity. Huge. Huge opportunity. Huge. Huge opportunity. Now, my friends, I want to see a reversal. That's what I'm expecting to see. The retest of the previous 4-hour candle, you see, of this high. The previous candle is up here. The only thing that scares me, and I mean this, is that I am seeing, and we are all seeing together, that price is reacting. Also, if I draw a fib from this high to this low, we are exactly at the golden zone of the 4-hour. I hope that we have not done a mistake and price is going to go up. Oh, sorry for that, my friend. Sorry for that. Yeah, like System 2 and 3 and Trade Lab is huge help. I'm so happy that you are finding value. So happy, mates. So happy. Okay. The problem is that maybe this is what I'm thinking currently. As you all saw, this leg can be a pullback, because if you see, all the bearish PDRAs are aligned, the daily breaker block, bearish fair value gap, the New York opening gap, the new week opening gap. Quite confusing. Overall, for sure, I'm looking at the markets from a bearish perspective. The 4-hour candle reading, of course, tells us that we might have price go up. Why? Because this candle broke that high. It means force with a body. So we should have, based on candle reading, a continuation. We should see a bullish another bullish 4-hour. But look how it is turning, fooling us, playing with us. Okay, it's playing with us, my friends. I hope, Mr. Ken, that we have not done a mistake. I hope that we have not done a mistake. Look how powerful by yourself is a random box in the chart. A random box. A random. Of course, my friends. Of course, my friends. Don't forget, of course, link in the description, trdfloor.com, the amazing package that everyone can get with such a low price. But we are, first of all, and the most important, we are a true supportive trading community. We are a true community, my friends. We are a true community with such good traders, with so many supportive members. It is rare when someone asks something and no one replies. It is rare, almost. I don't believe that any questions are not being answered. Don't forget, my friends, trdfloor.com. Well, if so, it is what it is. Mess on 5 minutes has not broke my fib nor so. It is close to the Asian DR. Yes. Yes, of course, we can't do anything about it. Uh, in my eyes, it's a clear bullish expansion model. It's much more clear than NQ. I'm very, very curious to see also what will happen. A scenario that I wouldn't like, and I truly mean it, is to see a bearish confirmation. I I won't lie to you. I'm quite confused, and when I'm confused and I don't have a clear direction, I just patiently wait. I need my clear direction. And this is one more advice I have for everyone. Always try to have a clear direction, a clear narrative. Always have a clear picture. Why? Because now we can't, it's wrong to guess, first of all. We don't try to guess. It's wrong. All the time we try just to react in what we are seeing. But in order to be able to react, I must firstly be able to identify what is going on. So when I'm able to clearly see what when I have a clear picture of what is going on, then my work becomes even easier and I'm able to establish a trade and take a trade. You see one more rejection of the Asian DR. Remember, based on the 4-hour candle reading, we said that price, we expect, of course, a continuation of the bullish price action. My first idea was, of course, to see price go down the 4-hour opening price and take a really nice continuation. Let's see if this is what the markets are going to give us. Let's see. I'm so curious to see. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ken. I appreciate it, mate. I really appreciate it, and I mean this. Thank you so much, mate. It's doing nothing. This is the reality. This is a situation that I don't like to be in. This exact thing. And now, what would Christie do? We all know what it would do, especially the members of the community. Her box is sure as the size of the DR. The Christie box. The Christie box. Fixing my camera a little bit. I'm using an Elgato camera, not the Pro one, the other one. It's very good camera. And it goes up on my screen. That's why sometimes it moves a little bit around. Sometimes it moves a little bit around. This is the times that I feel very bad why I cannot give you the content that I want to give you because the markets are not doing anything. And when the markets are not doing anything, I'm also not doing anything. So it's quite bored. Tell me your news, my friend. How are you? Not only about trading. How are you? How are you guys? Are you feeling well? Are you feeling weird, and I mean weird, you feel lonely, are you okay? Tell me your feelings. How you are truly are, not only based on trading. If your emotions go up and down based on your trading, something is going wrong. I know from a personal experience that it is almost impossible to be happy when you lose, for example, or you take 3 or 4 losses, but we must learn how to leave it back and just look forward. This is at least what I do. Yes, I won't lie to you. I many times when I lose, I'm angry. I'm not so calm as I am other times, but I have learned to accept what happened and go to the next one. Great, mind is right where it needs to be. Wife is happy, so I'm happy. So happy for you. So happy for you, Pat. And I mean this. Happiness is so important. Happiness. So many emotions. What is Price going to do? Tell me. Let's make a vote. I have some back pains. It is how I exercise. I will probably make an appointment for a massage. Okay. Ken says beautiful rainy day here in AZ. AZ is I always have to be aware of my emotions and control them the best I can. AZ, I can't remember the Arizona, Arizona. Yes, I was remembering. I was trying to think again about the states, and I was thinking which one has the A and the Z inside. I have a bad back, very painful. Yes, for mine, my back pain is not from my bad body position. It's because when I'm at the fast food, I do all the time a same move. You know, when we put mustard and ketchup in the sandwiches that we serve, it is with the mustards and ketchup that you press it from the upside. You understand it? It has a, how can I say it? It has a weird that goes out. You press the mustard and go, because I'm pressing all the time, pressing, and I do this certain move all the time, move all the time. It my back pains. Pat says, I think price will be bullish. Well, we hope so. I want it to be after the signal of fractal frenzy. And now that I said fractal frenzy, don't forget, my friends, link in the description, trdflow.com, if you want, of course, to have access to this amazing indicator and the concepts that I teach. Well, after the fractal frenzy signal, I only want 40 points, nothing else. 40 points, 40 points. Hello, Vinny. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. Thanks for joining. Hello, hello. Thanks for joining. Thank you a lot for joining. I'm long at 67.82. Let's go, Mr. Ken. Let's go. The trading gap, Grandpa. Shoot one more time. 82. Oh, 82. Stop loss at 673.25. 773.25. Take profit 1.5. at 95.75. Okay, nice. Perfecto. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Ken. We all believe in you. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. Look what we created over here. What did I say? Now we are seeing the true formation of a candle. Look, price manipulated, created the wick. Now we want the candle to do to distribute, to create its true body. Of course, we never know what will happen. We try to add the highest probabilities we are able to add in order for our trade, for our candle to form towards the direction we believe. And we based upon that concept, we try to build our trading idea. May the force be with you, Mr. Ken. Perfect. I took the candle a little bit more using the offset, so it can be a little bit more to the right. I told you the only thing that concerns me is that we are seeing a reaction. I hope it's not so powerful to ruin in general our 4 hour candle reading. 4 hour candle reading. No action. What is going on? My friends, whoever wants to support us, and of course it means a lot for us, don't forget to hit the like button, enable, hit the subscribe button also, enable all notifications. It helps us so much in order to be able to grow even more TTF and make it as big as we have dreamed to. Of course, whoever is not member of TTF and really wants to be part of our community, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Amazing package, amazing things going around in TTF, as of course the Owners Loan Program. Also, I cannot forget that we are exactly in the middle towards the end of Profit League, a huge month that we will be so happy to show to everyone how many profitable days many traders had. It is amazing when you guys are following your rules what you are able to do. The success we are seeing during Profit League and Strategy Wars is amazing. Why? Is because, my friends, the simple answer to that question is that you guys are following your systems. So if we had an endless competition, you would be for sure profitable. Why? Because you will all the time follow your rules to be able to score a point. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at Mr. Ken's trade. The DR box has formed based on the opening price, closing price concept. We have high probabilities that we're going to have a long confirmation. Let's also take a look on NQ. This is the opening price, the green line. The closing price is exactly here at 10:30. The opening price of the last price of this candle. So also in NQ, the box is green. We have high probabilities that it is going to confirm long. Another concept. The opening and the closing price. So also amazing statistic. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go and push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go, Mr. Ken. Let's go. I'm also prepared to take it if it, of course, prints a fractal frenzy signal. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Just reading the 4-hour price action. Just reading the 4-hour candle formation. This is how we are going to execute this trade. No mambo jumbo. No weird stuff. Yes, and push it. And push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. Repeat. Repeat. Repeat, please. Repeat. Come on. Come on. Please. We are all surprised. I'm dancing my chair too. Haha, okay. Let's go. It's going to go. May the force be with you, Mr. Ken. Okay, please push. Please. Come on. Come on. Please. 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 So annoying. Well, 3 consecutive fair value gaps over here. We want at least price to respect this fair value gap. Why? Because it made a reaction from it. Oh no. Ouch. Ouch. Why did it push so hard? Why? Also in alignment over here with a fair value gap, a bullish one. Yes, Vinny, ouch. What a candle was that? These are Trump candles. 7.5 handles. Whoa. Huge. Huge. But it is going good. It's recovering. It was just a fake out. Taking out the high frequency traders that had tight stop losses below these lows. Grab took all their stop losses and now they are continuing. What is it going to do? Come on. Should I enable an alert? Add alert. Okay. Nah, leave it. I never went. I never went. I didn't have. I never had a good relationship with the alerts. I understand them only when I have an alert of a certain level. Okay, it's flying again, Mr. Ken. Let's see what it's going to do. Of course, my friends, don't forget, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And yes, it is pushing, Mr. Ken. Perfect. This was only the candle to fear us, but we're not fear of anything. Okay. If it prints over here, I'm going to take it. Let's also mark the standard deviation levels. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, can you please make my day and pretty signal? Yes, it is good. Come on, it's pushing. Come on. Push it. Push it, please. Pat says, looks like it will go to resistance. 25, I must execute. 25,269, 25,621, 269, 269. Let's see if Mr. Ken, yes, he's going up. Amazing trade, Mr. Ken. Okay, let price pull back a little bit. I'm going to put over here my limit order. Let's go. Nice. Move to break even, Mr. Ken. 1.5, I said. I will be aware, of course. We are tagged in. Good luck to me also. Good luck. I am okay with my stop loss. I'm pleased with it. Let's see what's going to on. Move to break even. Oh, okay. Pat says I have a different chart than you. Price looks different. I am on US Tech 100 cash, $100. Thank you, Pat. Well, Pat, if you want to chart, I don't know this exact ticker, but I would prefer the big brokers tickers like Oanda, Forex.com. They all the brokers have, of course, their tickers. It can help you because they are more safer chats. I don't know if it's your personal broker though. If it is your personal broker, of course, continue to use it. And push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Mr. Ken, we are going to the sky, to the moon. We are going to nail it. It's going really good. Well done. This is Mr. Ken's trade. Trading Grandpa. Trading Grandpas. Grandpas. Okay. Okay. I'm really annoyed with all these colors, and I mean it. I'm really, really annoyed. Let me make it a little bit more lighter. Perfect. Let's go. Pat says, what do I look for on TradingView to have the same as you? I am paying my beloved friend, and an extra subscription to TradingView in order to have the CME data. This, what we are looking, is the future markets. It's not a CFD broker, it is futures. And the future markets, that's why we don't have many brokers. It is a centralized exchange, the CME, where we get this data. If you are seeing CME, then if you press M and Q, if it has a D over here, yes, you must pay a separate subscription than your monthly one. Or if you have premium, or you have, it is extra data. I'm also paying extra data for my Greek, for example, the Greek. I'm stuck. For also the Greek exchanges, because I am adding to my portfolio many Greek stocks. I added to my portfolio Greek stocks. Where is your break-even level, Mr. Ken? I hope it doesn't go back upon you. I'm probably going for a loss. Okay, boom now. Go up. It's time for you, price, to go up, please. Let me... that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to separate my two screens. Yes. I love what I just did. Yes, this is what we are going to do. My trade and Mr. Ken's trade. And push it real good. Tan, taran, tan, 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 tarararararan, taran, tan, 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 tarararararan. Let's go. Repeat. Repeat. 64, 84. Whoa. It didn't tag you in this one. You end. Let's go. Repeat. Go. Push, please. Push. My friends, which candle colors do you prefer? The right side or the left side? What candle colors do you prefer? Right, left. Right, left. Okay, by a tick. That's better. Luck. We need luck. We need luck. Come on. Repeat. Push it. Go, go, go. And push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we need a final push. Come on. Algo says, I like my candles light blue for bulls and dark blue for bears. You are using, let me check on TradingView, on Discord. Your candle. As I said, I'm going, of course, to answer you, my friend. Okay. Yeah, they're looking good also. They are looking very good. I agree with you. I like them. Green red for me. Okay. A classic guy, Mr. Trading Grandpa. Green and red. Pat says JSAV uses that too, I think. JSAV's charts are dark. Are dark. Oh no. I hope I'm back. I hope I'm back. Oh no. I think I'm back. Oh no, what a candle was that? Let me again try to enable. Give me a sec, please. Damn it. Damn it. Break even, Mr. Ken, unfortunately. Our friend Mr. Ken went break even, unfortunately. Okay. We got lost a little bit. We had a disconnection. It is probably going to go for my stop loss, as I'm seeing. Okay, plus $25. You buy yourself a McDonald's. No worries. Of course, no worries. Let's... Not this one. Not this one. Wow. I can't remember my themes. Okay, let's enable these ones for now. Okay, it's not looking good. It's not looking at all good. I'm going to close the trade to save a little few bucks. Unfortunately, we took a loss. Unfortunately, price reversed on us. Unfortunately, it was very, very tricky. Unfortunately, we took our loss. It is what it is, of course. We didn't have a confirmation. Let's erase also this line. The bad price action is continuing. This is what we are seeing. I unfortunately took this loss. We don't have a confirmation yet. We have a weak confirmation. I don't know if I like to search from here again longs. I'm quite confused now. Of course, it is what it is. We can't do anything. We will try a little bit more harder to see if we will be able to find a trade and at least end the day for break even. Of course, I never force things to happen if it doesn't align with what I'm thinking at that moment, or if it's based on my plan, I'm not going to execute. So, my friends, let's sum today's live stream. As I said, thank you so much, everyone, one by one, for all your wishes. I mean this. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to capitalize, but I will have a little bit more time to maybe search for a trade. Thank you so much for all your wishes. My wish, my friends, is to see as much success I can. And I mean this. This is why I'm doing all of this, for all of you to be able to have an opportunity. Thank you again for joining. It was my pleasure and I mean this. Thank you so much. We will, of course, call it next week. Don't forget to be patient. Let's see what the market is going to give us. And of course, we hope that it will be able to break this range where price is. Thank you so much. Thank you. I mean this. Thank you so much. See you next time, my beloved friends. Thank you. Thank you so much.